Guitar Zombie here again, today with Box of Doom, an isolation cab from Holland. I want to focus on three things in this video. If you want the full review, you can read it on the blogs. I will present the links in the end of the clip. But there's three things that are crucial to know about this. The first thing is that it's rock solid built in a flight case. And you can feel the robust construction when you open the lid and take a look inside it. The first thing that hits you when you look into this cab is the rail system, or the all-access system, that lets you actually put your microphones in exactly that position that you wish. The second thing you'll notice is that the speaker is sitting at the side, so there's no risk for you dropping a microphone into it and damage it. And it's also into a rack system, so you can actually pull this speaker up like this and change it to another one that I have here in a special little box. You can change speaker under a minute in time. The third thing is that there are channels in the absorption and isolation materials inside. You can't see it, but it lets the air to flow in and out and around in a tremendous way. And that's one of many reasons why this isolation cab sounds so amazing. Now I want to show you how well this cab really isolates. I'm using the microphone on the camera, and I'll start with the lid upright. It goes like this. So it isolates very good, it's rock solid built, and it's mobile. It's wheels underneath too. But how does it perform when you put the amp in through it and the lid closed and the mics into a computer with Logic? Actually, how does it record? If you want to know more about this isolation cab Box of Doom, please read the full review on the blog. I'll show you the links in a second.